Hey, what's up, guys? Well, it's Saturday. Just doing a little work on the car. Well, I've been working on it pretty much most of the day. And I taught. So, it's not a whole lot of light. But my driver's side seatbelt side of fell. Just wouldn't retract anymore. So picked up some of these 4-point seatbelts from late model. They're like 90 bucks a piece, something like that. Pretty simple. Had to bust up my light here. Just not enough light for his camera. So pretty much on the driver and passenger side, they just, well, I have my back seat deleted, so I have them bolted up where the back seat belts will go, and got a mounting point down there, mounting point there. So that's a pretty simple install. I need to look into getting a pillar bar. Go across here. So I'll probably look at getting one of those here pretty soon. Car's a little dirty. I need to vacuum it out, but not too bad. Probably should wash her one day. Also, you notice on the beginning of the video, put a new Ford emblem in. The other one fell out about 2 months ago. I went to a car show, got that replaced, and I put me a fuel gauge in because the one on my dash doesn't work. I tested everything. It's getting power, so it's in the dash itself. Put a voltmeter on it. Filled it up. So right at full, I think it's like 158 ohms, something like that, right around there, for a full reading. And it measures that on my ohms meter. I mean on my multimeter, and I tested the wires up here up to the dash, and they're reading correctly. So it's the cluster itself. I believe this one doesn't have an anti-sludge module in it, so it has a module on the back. I'm not 100% sure if that's it or not. It's a little bit different that I have on these clusters here. I see there, that's an anti-sludge module, and mine ain't like that. Mine's like on the back of mine, it looks like something like that. It's flat and it has a screw in it. Hadn't really done too much research, so buddy of mine let me borrow these, just test them out, and these are for 90 and up. It's got the airbag light in it, and also it's got the anti-sludge module, anti-slosh module, I mean. So these are 90 and up, 90 through 93 clusters. I've already tried them out. They don't work in my car. Plug them in, nothing registers. Not sure if they're bad or not. So I'll hit them up, tell them they don't work. Well, for me at least. But tomorrow, I'm gonna take the car out, put a little time on it. Really haven't driven it much with the new fan, so kind of see what the temperature is going to be like with a nice 20 mile cruise on the highway. Hey, what's up, guys? Alright, so it's the next day. Done a little driving with the car today. Nice hot day. It's a little off. When I killed it, it was a little above 180. Every time I kill the car, it seems like it rises about 10 degrees. So, grown, not too bad. I mean, it is 95, 96 degrees outside. The fuel gauge is working pretty good. At least I know how much gas I have in the car now instead of guessing. Because usually when I drive the car, if I know I'm going to be driving a little ways, I'll go ahead and fill it up. Generally don't like doing that since I put 93 in the car. Not sure how much 87 you get. Probably roughly a gallon when you start pumping 93 in. So at least I know now I can run it down almost down to at least to a quarter before filling it back up again. Plus got to try out these new seat belts. So far so good. Like I said, I need to get a bar to go across here. So right now, you can probably see a little bit better. Got them bolted in where the back seat belts will go. And that's what the instructions call for. It has several ways of bolting these up, and with the stock locations up here front, but for the back, I used the back seats. Well, where the seats used to be, bolt them there. Alright, so that's my little update. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. If I have any questions about the seat belts or anything else I've done to the car, just hit me up below in the comments, and I'll see y'all later.